When they arrived in Jamaica, it was not to freedom, it was to a hell dressed in green. The island looked like paradise from the ship, with its rolling hills and endless trees. But that was the trap. Sugar plantations carved their greed into the land like open wounds. The sun scorched the skin of the enslaved. Their bones bent under baskets of cane. And the lash, oh, the lash made devils out of men. The overseers broke bodies daily, but Nanny watched how they feared the night, how they whispered about the hills, about the drums that sometimes echoed from the trees. She listened when old women spoke in riddles about freedom wind and spirits in the forest. And something inside her sparked, familiar, ancient, unstoppable. The girl they stole from Ashanti had not died. She had been reborn in fire. Her first escape attempt failed. She was no older than 14. A guard caught her just steps from the tree and beat her until her skin split. They left her there, a warning to others. But that night, when a thunderstorm cracked open the sky, the guard who whipped her was found face down in the cane fields, eyes wide, mouth full of earth. No one ever claimed to see her do it. No one ever accused her out loud. But from that night onward, they called her Duppy Sister, the girl the spirits would protect. It would not be her last attempt, nor her last warning. In time, she escaped again. And this time, she did not return. The forest embraced her like a long-lost daughter. She crossed rivers chest deep and climbed rocks barefoot until her feet bled. She survived on berries, frogs, and roots. And she was not alone. Others found her, runaways who spoke in hushed tones about freedom, about war, about a woman who could heal with her breath and make bullets turn around in midair. She was not yet Nanny, not yet legend, but she was rising. And the wind, yes, the wind, had begun to whisper her name.